A particle moves in the xy plane with position vector r of t equals, in component form, 2 cos t, 3 sine t. Determine the distance of the particle from the origin at t equals pi over 4. Well, basically, we know what distance looks like. It's the magnitude. So, like, the magnitude of r at pi over 4 is going to be found by doing Pythagorean theorem. All right, so something that we're very much used to. It's going to be r of, I guess we'll do the a version. So, like, I'll just write it out like this. A squared plus b squared. I don't want to overcomplicate anything. Where in this case, a squared is going to be 2 cos t, which is pi over 4. Close it, squared. Plus 3 sine, in parentheses, 3 sine t, which is pi over 4 again, close it, squared. And let's scooch you over. Now, cosine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. So we have 2 times root 2 over 2. So just root 2, all right, squared, plus 3 sine of pi over 4 is also root 2 over 2, so nothing cute fancy happening here. It's going to be 3 root 2 over 2 squared. All right, I'm going to need the space. Not so much for the left one, but for the right one. That just gives us 2. Root 2 squared is 2. Okay, let's do 3 times 3 is 9. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. And then 2 times 2 is 4. So 18 over 4. That's going to equal the square root of 2 plus 9 over 2, which is just going to end up being, what, 13 over 2? Square root of 13 over 2? So, yeah, not the prettiest thing in the world. So, but, you know, there you have it. We did it.